Díoghaíomh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to say the word for dense in Irish. There are actually two different words in Irish for dense. Dowse. Dowse. That's one way of saying dense. Repeat after me. Dowse. Another way of saying dense is rinke. Rinke. Repeat after me. Rinke. Now let's put that in a sentence. Let's say, I am dancing. You could say either tá mé ag dowse or tá mé ag rinke. Now let's take both of those slowly. Tá mé ag dowse. Tá mé ag rinke. Tá mé ag dowse. Tá mé ag rinke. They both mean I am dancing. Ig dowse is dancing, whereas dowse is dense. Ig rinke is dancing, rinke is dense. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.